Students, welcome back to my channel, Shah Sir Classes. I am Shah Sir here. My dear students, in our previous class, we have done the complete basics related to the chapter surface area and volume of class 10. Now, if you are finding difficult, which type of questions may appear for 1 mark or 5 marks in the upcoming board exam, so this is the video for you. Here in this session, I am going to cover up the most important questions which you can expect in the upcoming boards. Let's get started without wasting much time. And do watch this video till the last so that you'll get a better clarity to solve any kind of problem related to surface areas and volumes. Okay, observe your students. The question is here on the screen. A rocket is built by combining the hollow cylinder and a cone as shown in the figure. The total height of the rocket is 44 meter and the diameter and height of the cone are 6 meter and 4 meter respectively. Find the cost of installing heat resistant coating on the outer surface of the rocket at the rate of rupees 10,000 per meter square. Now here we can see the diagram is given. In this diagram, let me to reduce this diagram into its simplest form. As you can see here, they have given that we are building a rocket. It is combining, means it's not a single solid is present. Here we have two more solids, means more than one solid is there. Which are those? One is hollow cylinder and other one is cone. So as you can see, this is our cylinder and here we have a cone. This both the figures we have attached. These different solids we have attached. Now it is in the shape of a rocket. Now they have given the total height. Total means what? Cone height plus cylinder height. Both together is 44 meters they have given. The total height is given. Total means height of the cone plus height of the cylinder is given as 44 meter. And then they are telling the diameter and height of the cone. Now as you can see in this figure, the diameter of cylinder or the diameter of cone is both one and the same. Diameter of the cylinder and diameter of the cone both are same. Am I right? See, if this is a cylinder, as I said you, this is nothing but a circle. Can you see? I hope you understand. In the previous class, I said you in cylinder, this shape is nothing but is in the form of a circle. If this is this shape, if it is in the form of a circle, now this is our diameter. Am I right? So this is our circle. This is our cylinder. This is the diameter. Now again, you take this cone. Even for cone, this base, even for cylinder, this base are common. These both are same. So we can say that the diameter of the cylinder or diameter of cone both are equal. By seeing the figure only we can tell because both have the same size. The base of the cone or the base of the cylinder both are same. So that we can say that both the diameters are equal. Am I right? Now here you can see the first word is diameter. Means 6 meter is what? Diameter. As you can see they have given. 6 meter is the diameter. And next what they have used the word? Height. Now what is the height of the cone? 4 meter. As you can see this is our 4 meter. Now then what could be the height of the cylinder then? If total height is 44, understood. The height of the cone is 4 meter, then we can easily calculate the height of the cylinder. So we can say that the height of the cylinder is 40 meters. Height of the cylinder is 40 meters. Am I right? Now here the question is, find the cost of installing heat resistant coating. Here you no need to think so much about this. What is heat resistant? What is coating? All the stuff. Understood? It means they are asking you the cost. Just you remember this much. They may ask you that how much heat is supplied. So we have to resist the heat. Some other information they can give you. You don't worry about it. Just you concentrate on this part cost. It means we want to calculate the cost. Always the cost is calculated for area. Always the cost is calculated for area. For area we calculate the cost. Understood? Example, I have a home. I want to paint all these walls. How much cost is required to paint these all the walls? Means first I want to find the area. For that area, I will calculate the cost. Common sense. As you can see here, they have not asked you to find the area. They are asking you to find the cost. In case if you want to calculate the cost, indirectly they are telling find area first, then you calculate the cost. That is a common sense you need to understand. They are not, nowhere they have mentioned the word find area. They are asking find cost. So it's understandable that if you want to calculate the cost, first we need to find the area. Am I right? Now they are telling that, I hope you remember in our last session, last topic I have mentioned. It means they are telling that the rate, what is the rate? 10,000 per meter square it seems. It means for 1 meter square area, 10,000 rupees is the cost. For per means what? 1. This is very important word. Per means 1. So for 1 meter square area, the cost is 10,000. Now here we calculate the total area. You just check for that, calculate it with 1 meter square amount. You can calculate the total area amount. Now as you can able to understand the given figure. I hope you have understood, right? Isn't it? Yes. Now if you want, you can write the data. What is the solution here? We know that the height of the cone, HC means what? Height of the cone. So the height of the cone is 4 meter. Here we are not calculating diameter. Here we need radius. Am I right? If diameter is 6, then the radius is 3 meters. Half of diameter. 3 by 2. Half of diameter. 6 is diameter. So radius is half of that. That's nothing but 3 meters. Am I right? So this is about cone. Now what about the cylinder? Height of the cylinder is 40 meters. Again the radius of the cone is 3 meters. It means both are same. Radius of cone is equals to radius of cylinder. Radius of cone and radius of cylinder both are one and the same. Both are equal. Now I want to calculate the total area. Isn't it? I want to calculate the total area of the rocket. So what is the total area of rocket? Which are the areas we need to find? You remember? Cone. I want to calculate the curved surface area of cone or total surface area of cone. Which formula we want to use here? Curved surface area. Because only I can see this part. Outside I can see only this part. Total when it is used, when you see all the parts. It's not visible because this and this is attached. If these both are attached, this space is common. This is not visible. So we are using curved surface area. Remember, almost all 99% in all the questions related to surface area what we are solving, we are using curved surface area. So here curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder. Am I right? We are calculating curved surface area of cone and curved surface area of cylinder. Now, just write the formula. What is the curved surface area of cone? Pi RL plus curved surface area of cylinder 2 pi RH. As we can see, here we have pi, here also we have pi. Both the sides we have pi. Pi is common. Both the sides we have R. So R is common. Then what is left out? Here is L plus here is 2H is left out. This H is of whom? Cylinder. This height is of cylinder. But here one thing is missing. L. We want slant height. Slant height is not given. They have given normal height. At that time what you can do? Draw one triangle. Draw one triangle. Can you remember this? This is my right angle triangle. Can you see this shape? This is my right circular cone. Right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, this is my radius. This is my height. And this is my slant height. Isn't it? If I want to calculate this L, we have the formula L equals R square plus H square. L equals root of R square plus H square. So root of radius is 3. Height of cone is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. That's nothing but 25. So what is root 25 here? 5. That is 5. So L is 5 meters. We got all the values. Now can we substitute? Pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 3. Open the bracket. L is 5 meters plus 2 into H. H is of whom? Height of cylinder. So the height of cylinder is 40 meters. Close the bracket. Now 7 and 3 are cancelable? No. Then don't cancel. Keep it as it is. 22 by 7 into 3 into 5 plus 420 is a 80. That's nothing but 22 by 7 into 3 into 85. 3 into 85. Now, in 7 tables, does 85 goes? It doesn't go. Am I right? So, in that scenario, what we should do? In that scenario, what we should do? Yeah. See, since 7 is not divisible by anything, then you can take directly value of 5. That is 22 by 7 can be written as 3.14. Just write that much. 3.14 into 3 into 85. 5 3 is a 15. 8 3 is a 24 plus 1 25. Am I right? So the value is 255. Now multiply 3.14 into 255. So what is the value? I'm just using the calculator here because time is limited. I hope you can do this calculation. Directly I will mention this value now. 3.14 into 255. So it is 800.7. Am I right? Meter square. So what is the value? 800.7 800.7 meter square. Isn't it clear? So this is what? Total area of rocket. Now we calculate the cost now. Understood? So what they have asked? Find the cost of installing. Write the heading. Cost of installing whatever they have given the information, write it. Heat resistant coating. Write this heading. Cost of installing heat resistant coating. Now we can write for 1 meter square it is 10,000 rupees. Now what is the area? 800.7 meter square. We don't know how much. So we can write X rupees. For 1 meter square 10,000 rupees. Now 800.7 meter square we don't know. Is equals to X rupees. Now cross multiply. Remember this point. This with this. This with this. So X will come this side. 10,000 into 800.7 divided by 1. Clear? This into this and this into this. So X will come this side, 1 will come down. So 800 into 10,000. So if you are going to multiply, see divided by 1 is remain same. So we can calculate the X value is 10,000 into 800.7. So the answer is 10,000 into 800.7. How much? 8 lakhs 7,000. Is it so? Isn't it? 8 lakh 80 lakh. 8 lakhs 80 lakhs. See man, 1 is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. 80 lakh, 7,000 rupees. Not 8 lakh. It is 80 lakhs. Understood? Did you understood this answer? Therefore, cost is right here. 80 lakhs, 7,000 rupees. Final conclusion. I hope you have understood. It's easy, right? Isn't it? Just we have to calculate the area. Direct substitute the formula. Substitute the values. What is common? Take the common values as a common factor. Simplify. Write the final answer. See children, this complete chapter itself is like this. But only you need the patience. Understood? Okay. Anyhow, I hope you have understood. We'll go to the next problem. The second question is here on the screen. A solid is made in the shape of a cylinder with a cone attached at one end and hemisphere at the other end as shown in the figure. All the solids are of the same radius equal to 7 centimeter. The total height of the solid is 61 centimeter and height of the cylinder is 30 centimeter. Calculate the cost of painting the outer surface of the solid at the rate of rupees 100 per centimeter square. Rupees 10, rate of rupees 10 per 100 centimeter square. Also find the volume of this solid. Here we have got two questions in the hand. Okay. Now let me consider. As we know, they have given the cylinder. Am I right? Here we have one cylinder. This is the shape of a cylinder. This is attached at one end. At one end, a cone is attached. Can you see this? At this end, we have a cone. And the other end, it is attached with a hemisphere. The other end, it is attached with a hemisphere. So altogether, we have got three surfaces. One is cone, second is cylinder, and the third one is hemisphere. Now, the total height, all the solids are of the same radius equal to 7 centimeter. It means the radius of cylinder, radius of cone, radius of hemisphere, all are 7 centimeter. All are equal. Now, the total height of the solid is 61 centimeter. What is the total height? 61. Total height is 61 centimeter. In which the height of the cylinder they have given, height of the cylinder they have given as 30 centimeter. As you can see, height of the cylinder is 30. My dear students, as you can able to understand one thing here. What is this? Circle. I hope you can understand. Very good. What is this? Radius. What is this? What is this? Okay. I hope the clarity you have got. What is this? If I cut, this circle, hemisphere. Yes. So this is my hemisphere. Clear? Now, this is the center. From here to here is what? Radius. From here to here is what? Radius. You measure anywhere from the center. It's all a radius. Now we can say that from here to here is what? Radius. From here to here is radius. So here we can say that the radius of hemisphere or the height of hemisphere both are equal. The radius of hemisphere or the height of the hemisphere both are equal. Now you can see what is this radius now. If I cut this, what is this? Radius only, no? From here to here is height. This is half circle. This is my half circle. If this is a half circle, from here to here if it is radius, then here to here is also radius. So this we can call it as 7 centimeter. So the height of the hemisphere or the radius of the hemisphere always they are equal. Now total is how much? 61. Out of which we have got 37. Am I right? 30 plus 7, 37. Why I am calculating this? To calculate the height of the cone. Now what is the height of the cone? 11 minus 7, 4. 5 minus 3, 2. Now what is the height of the cone? It is 24 centimeters. Now we got a better clarity about all the heights of the given solid. They have just given us the height of the cylinder. They didn't give us the height of the cone or the height of the hemisphere. That we have to calculate from our side, from our end. This is how you need to calculate. I hope the concept is clear for you all guys. Good. Now, we got all the heights. Now, in curved surface area of cone, we want slant height. Am I right? What do we need? There is a requirement of slant height. If you want slant height, can we draw one right angle? Can we draw one right angle? So this is our height, radius. This is the height and this is the slant height. To calculate slant height, what we use? Root of r square plus h square. So L is equals to root of, what is radius? 7 square. What is height? 24 square. Is equals to root of 7 square, 49, 24 square. 24 into 24, 576. Now, 576 plus 49. 625. What is root of 625? It's 25. 25 is a 625. So we got the slant height as 25 centimeter. Now as you can see, we got the slant height. So remember, whenever they give you the cone in any problem, if you see cone, first only you calculate slant height. Check whether they have given or not. Usually they won't give slant height, they'll give only height only. Always we have to find slant height. That is the common thing what we need to understand in every problem. This much I hope you have understood. Am I right? Did you understood the slant height part? Good. Now, what they are asking us to calculate cost, isn't it? They are asking us to find the cost of the painting. As I said you earlier, if you want to calculate the cost, what we should do? We need to find the area. We need to find the total area. Once we get to know the total area, then only we can calculate the cost. Am I right? Yeah. So here, as we know, we got the value of slant height. What is the slant height? That is 25 centimeters. Now, I want to find the total surface area of this solid. Am I right? What there was total surface area of the solid. Now we can write total surface area of solid is equals to chord surface area of cone plus chord surface area of cylinder plus chord surface area of hemisphere. Now, the chord surface area of cone is pi RL, chord surface area is 2 pi RH, chord surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi R square. As we know, in all the following given, pi is common, so R is common. Radius of cone, radius of cylinder, and radius of hemisphere. All the three are same. So I have taken R as common. If I take pi and R as common, the left out is L plus left out is 2H plus left out is 2 pi is one time of pi came out, one time of R came out. So one time of R is left out inside. Now just we have to fill this following. That's it. We have to fill all the values. So the value of pi is 22 by 7 and the radius is given as 7. Isn't it? Absolutely wrong. They have given the diameter, not radius. So the radius is 3.5. Then somewhere we have done one more mistake. Huh? Yeah, that's what I'm telling. But no one have raised this question. That's what I was waiting. Let's see who will tell this answer. They have given the diameter of the hemisphere, right? What is this? 7 centimeter is diameter, not radius. This complete is diameter, but we want radius. Radius means what? Half of this. So half of this is nothing but 7 by 2. It means our L is wrong. The slant height what we have calculated, that was wrong. That is wrong. Isn't it?
Sir.
So please be careful. This is the common mistake. Not only from you, it happens. With everyone, this happens. In this problem, suppose the same question appears also, no? Most of them will do two types of mistakes in this problem. The first mistake, they won't convert diameter into radius. Second mistake, just they will find till 100 meters square and they will omit volume of the solid. They'll forget volume. Only till here they solve and they'll leave the problem. They think that I have done the complete sum. So you need to understand what is given in the problem carefully before you are going to answer that. Am I right? So what is slant height? Still we don't know. So how to calculate slant height? So what is the radius? 7 by 2. Radius is 7 by 2 of cone. And height of cone is 24 centimeter. Now I need the value of L. That is slant height. So 7 by 2 also we can write. 3.5 also we can write. 7 by 2 is nothing but 3.5. Both are one and the same. Understood? Now, what is the slant height value? L equals root of R square. What is R square? 7 by 2 whole square plus h square, that is 24 square. Clear? Root of 7 square 49, 2 square 4 plus 24 square is 576. Now what is 49 divided by 4? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Remainder 1.10. 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. Remainder 2. 20. 4 fives are 20. So the answer is 12.25. 49 by 4 is nothing but 12.25 plus 576. What is the answer? 576 plus 12.25. 588.25. Check and tell me the answer exactly. 588.25. 588 or 98? 88. Check. 88. Check. One is telling 88, the other one is telling 98. 88, sir. Excuse me. 12.25 plus 576. So the answer is 588.25. Now what is the square root of 588.25? Do you know how to calculate? No, we don't know. Am I right? Yeah, I'll teach you the trick how to find the square root. Observe you. 588.25, I'll write as it is. Put the margins like this. Now, before point, see the value. Only just before point, see the value. 588 is there. Now, what number you take here, you have to take the same number. Here, if you take 10, here also you should take 10. Here, if you take 58, example, here also you should take 58. Same numbers. If you multiply these both the numbers, you should get 588 or nearest to 588. Which is the number? 24, 24, sir? 572. Sir, okay. So it is nearest to 588? Yes, sir. It is nearest to 588. Am I right? So what we can write here? 24 into 24. That is 576. 8 minus 6 to 8 minus 7, 1. This point is there. Shift this point as it is. This 2, 5 bring down. After point 2, 5 was there, right? The 2, 5 bring down. Now plus. Now look at here, students. Here also, here we have 24. Here also we have 24. But don't consider this 24. Consider this 24. I'll tell you the reason. Both are 24 only. But again I'm repeating, don't take this 24. Take this 24 into consideration. So here if we have 24. Understood? With the same 24 you should add with this value. Both are same. But not this value you should take. You have to take this value. So what is here? 24, right? What is here? 24. With the same 24 you add 4 plus 4, 8. 2 plus 2, 4. Now condition. Remember this condition. In the beginning, in the first step, this is my step 1. Okay. Now this is my step 2. In step 1, you can take any number. 24, 28, 30, 40, 50, 90, 100, 120, 500, 1000, any number you can take. This into this. But in step 2, you can't take like that. You have to take either 1 or maximum 9. Here in case if you take 1, here also you should write 1. Here if you write 9, here also you should write 9. Minimum 1, maximum 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only till there you can take the numbers. You can't take more than that. Or you can't take 0 also. Between 1 and 9, you can take any numbers. 1 and 9. Now, if I put 9 here, assume. If I put 9 here, here also if I put 9, then it becomes, if I put 9 here, then it becomes 489. This part becomes 489. So 489 into 9. We have to multiply. If you multiply this, you should check whether we get 1225 or nearest to 1225. I'm just telling. I'm not telling to take 9 only. So what I prefer, I'll give one logic. Let it be any problem. कौन सा भी problem बनते बेटा? एक condition use करो. Better always prefer 6. पहले 6 लेको check करो. अगर से ज्यादा है 5 4 3 को आओ, कम है 7 8 9 को जाओ. ये middle Middle average. You understood my point? Now, what is 486 into 6? 489. 486 into 6? Check. Tell me fast. You should do the calculation and tell me the values fast. Whatever I say. 486 into 6. 29. It is bigger, right? We want 1225. But here is 2916. So shall we take 3? Guess. Exactly. थोड़ा half होना मुझे. 1? 14? 1449. So shall we take 2? 482 into 2? 960? 482 into 2, 964. 483 into 3, 449. So it is bigger. So shall we go with 2? We'll go with 2. Okay. So what is the answer? 964. Understood? Now subtract. 5 minus 4, 1. 2 minus 6, it doesn't go. So borrow 12. 12 minus 6, 6. 11 minus 9, 2. Again, plus. What happened? 5 minus 4, 1. 12 minus 6, 6. 12, no, we borrow 1. So it become 1, 11. 11 minus 9. 10, 11, 12. 3. 361. So 11 minus 9 is? Hey, 11 only, no man. 261. Now, we should add with whom? Huh? No, don't continue. What do you do? After a point, if you get one digit, as of now, you can stop. As of now, you can stop. So directly you can write 588.25. Answer is 24.2. L is 24.2 centimeters. Simply surface area and volume has not come. See, problem is easy, but you have to be careful with the calculation part. What? 5? Kiska? Root of 588.25 how much? How much? Root of 588.25. Huh? Yeah. Children, I hope you have understood how to calculate the value of L. Yeah, great. Understood the calculation part? Yeah. Now we'll come back to our problem. That is 24.2. So the value of L is 24.2 centimeters. Now, pi 22 by 7. Radius is how much? 7 or 7 by 2? 7 by 2 is radius. Into L, 24.2 plus 2 into H. H of whom? H of whom? Cylinder. Height of cylinder. Height of cylinder is 30 centimeter. Plus 2 into radius 7 by 2. Close the bracket. Understood? I'll erase this part. Understood the calculation and substitution part? Yeah, it's one of the easiest problems. Okay, now this 7 get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 11s are 11 into 24.2 plus 2 into 30 is 60 plus 2 get cancelled. Remainder is 7. So 11 into calculate 60 plus 7 67 24.2 67 means 67.0 7 plus 4 11 9 so 91.2 so 11 into 91.2 11 into 91.2 so the answer is 1003.2 centimeter square 1003.2 centimeter square. So this is the total area of the given solid. Now, my dear students, one thing you can observe here, what they said, calculate the cost of the bending of the outer surface of the solid at the rate rupees 10. Rupees 10 for how much? 100 centimeter square. For 100 centimeter square, now cost of painting is equals to, understood, cost of painting, underline. Now you can do the calculation. For 100 centimeter square, it is 10 rupees. 100 centimeter square is 10 rupees. Now 1003.2 centimeter square, we don't know. So it is x rupees. Shall we cross multiply? X goes here. 10 into 1003.2 divided by 100. Divided by 100. Followed? Yeah. Now this 10, this 10 get cancelled. Am I right? Now 10 ones are 10. 10 tens are 100. So it is 1003 means it is nearest to 1000. Am I right? So this entire value we can tell 10 tens are, it is 100. 10 into 100 is 1000. 10 into 100 is 1000. So shall we write here 10 into 100? 10 into 100 how much? 1000. 10 into 100 is 1000. How much it is here? 1003. Point to omit it for some time. 1003 is there. So 10 into 100 is 1000. Remainder is how much? 3. Remainder is 3. If I keep point, the remainder is 3. After 3, what is there? 2 is also there. It means 32 is there. What is there? 32. After keeping point, I can take 20. Understood? Understood. So, what we can do? We can keep point. After 3, what is there? 2. So, it is 32. In 10 tables, 32 goes. Isn't it? So, 10 3s are 30. 10 3s are 30. Remainder 2. Already we kept point. We can take 0. 10 2s are 20. So, x is equals to 100.32. So, you can write therefore, cost of painting is equals to 100.32 rupees. 100.32 rupees. Clear? And along with that, one more thing they have asked here. What is that? Volume. Correct? Now, volume of this given solid. Now we can write here volume of the solid. Volume of the solid is equals to volume of cone plus volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. Shall we write? Now, what is the formula to find volume of cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h plus volume of cylinder pi r square h. Volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. As we know, pi is common all the side. See here, one more thing. Here, what is there? R square. Here also r square. Here is r cube. So minimum is r square. We can take r square. No, 1 by 3 into h. H of whom? Cone. Right. If you get confused, HCU, right. So you will understand. This is height of cone. Plus pi r square came out. H is left out. Height of CY. Cylinder. Plus 2 by 3 r. Am I right? Because r square came out. So one time of r is left out. Now pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 7 by 2. Since it is r square, 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 1 by 3 into, what is the height of cone? What is the height of cone? Check. 20? 24. Height of cone is 24 plus height of cylinder 30 plus 2 by 3 into 7 by 2. 2 by 3 into 7 by 2. Now we can write here, this 7 get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 11s are. Am I right? You write 11 as it is because 2 and 11 doesn't cancel. It doesn't get cancelled. Keep it as it is. No worries. 11 into 7 by 2. Keep it as it is. 3 ones are 3. 3 8s are 24. 8 plus 30 plus 2 to get cancelled. Left out is 7 by 3. No, because it is plus. It's not into. If it is multiplied, you have to cancel. Now 11 into 7 by 2. Okay. Now look at here. 80 plus 8 plus 30. 38. Keep it as it is. 7 by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. Remainder 1. Point 10. 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. Again remainder 1. Again 10. 3 threes are 9. It goes on continue. Better after point if you get one digit, you stop. Okay. So 38 plus 2.3. 38 plus 2, 40. 40.3. So this is into 40.3. Understood the calculation? 8 plus 30 is 38. 7 by 3 is 2.3. 38 plus 2.3 is 40.3. Now, can we cancel this? 2 into 40.3, is it cancelable? If you get confused, what you can do? Very simple. 2 ones are 2. 2 fives are 10. 2 fives are 10. Remainder 1. Keep point, take 0. 2 fives are 10. So the left out is 5.5 into 7 into 40.3. Now first we calculate 5.5 into 7. 5.5 into 7 is 38.5 into 40.3. So into 40.3, if you are going to multiply, you get 1551.55 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of this given solid. See children, surface area and volume is one of the easiest topic, but you have to be very careful with the calculation part. How to find the square root, how to simplify, how to reduce, how to cancel. If these things, if you are perfect, believe me, it is wonderful chapter to get a very high quality marks. Clear? I hope you have understood. Question number 2. Okay, now we'll continue with question number 3. Yeah, children, as you can see, the next problem here is on the screen. Solution. First, let me read the question. A solid is made by joining a cylinder, hemisphere and a cone of equal radii as shown in the figure. As you can see, we have reformed a solid. It is made up of a cone, cylinder and a hemisphere. We have got three solids. Am I right? So this is our cylinder. This is the cylinder. And then we have a cone. And along with that, we have a hemisphere. So this solid is made up of three different solids. Okay. Now, the height of the cylinder is 6 centimeter. Can you see the height? They have given only the height of the cylinder. And they have given the height of the cylinder 6 centimeter. And also they have given the total height of the solid. Total height means from cone till the hemisphere. Height of the cone plus height of the cylinder plus height of the hemisphere. The total height is 13 centimeter. Now, children, one thing you have to be very careful here. What is that? They said that if the volume of the cylinder is 3 times the volume of hemisphere, what is given here? Volume of cylinder is 3 times. Yeah, this is very most important step. As we can see here, they have said that volume of cylinder is equals to 3 times, means 3 into volume of hemisphere. Understood? If you want, you can write VH, short form. VH is volume of hemisphere. And one thing we can notice, they have not given the diameter, they have not given the radius. They have not given the volume of cone. They have not given the volume of hemisphere. They have not given the radius of cone or cylinder or hemisphere. They have not given the radius. Along with that, they have not given the height of the cone. They have not given the height of the hemisphere. And also we know that the height of the hemisphere is equal to the height of the radius. Height of the hemisphere is nothing but is equals to the radius of hemisphere. Radius of hemisphere and the height of the hemisphere both are same. Okay, now let me study one by one. Now, first let me consider this. Volume of cylinder is 3 times of volume of hemisphere. Shall we write the formula of volume of cylinder? We know that the volume of cylinder is pi r square h is equals to 3 into Volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube. Am I right? Is this clear? 2 by 3. Just a minute. 2 by 3 pi r. Yeah. Observe here. This pi get cancelled. How? If this pi come to the other side, it becomes divided by pi. If it is common terms both the sides, we can cancel them. Pi and pi. Because this pi get cancelled. Clear? And here r square and here 2 times of r we can cancel. So 1 time of r is left out. But height of the cylinder, HCY means height of the cylinder is different, is equals to this 3 get cancelled, is equals to 2 times of r. 1 time of r is left out. Now here they have given the hint. What is the hint? The height of the cylinder is twice of radius. 2 times of radius. But still we need what? Radius. How to find the radius? Very simple. That is h by 2 is radius. Which height? Height of cylinder. Height of cylinder by 2 is equals to radius. Am I right? Height of the cylinder divided by 2 is equals to r. So what is the height of the cylinder? They have given here 6. Shall we substitute 6 here? So 6 by 2 is equals to r. 2 1 the 2 3 are the value of radius is 3 centimeters. Now we got the value of radius. And we know that this is 6 centimeter, right? Yeah. We know that the radius of hemisphere, the height of the hemisphere is same. Remember, if radius is 3 centimeter, then the height of the hemisphere is also 3 centimeter. What is the total height? 13. So 6 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 3. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is 13 centimeter. Now we got the height of the cone. Am I right? We got all the 3 heights. Now, if you want to find the surface area, because what they are asking? First they are asking you to find the volume. And second they are asking us to find the surface area. Means 2 things they are asking again. See, earlier also we have done one problem. There also we have calculated area and volume. Here also they are calculating. They are asking us to calculate the area and volume. Both the things. Am I right? Yeah. First, what shall we find volume? Shall we find volume? Volume of what? The entire solid. Understood? Volume of the entire solid. Now, how to find the volume of entire solid? Can we write the formula? Volume of solid is equals to volume of cone plus volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere. Now, what is the volume of cone formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h plus volume of cylinder is pi r square h plus volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now, my dear students, as you can see, all the sides we have pi r square common. Pi minimum pi r square minimum pi r square minimum pi r square. From all the three, can we take pi r square as common? If you are going to take pi r square as common, what is left out? 1 by 3 h. 1 by 3 h. H of what? Cone. Hc. Plus h. H of what? Cy. Plus 2 by 3. 2 times of r came out. So 1 time of r is left out. Now can we substitute? 22 by 7 into radius is 3 into 3. Radius is 3 centimeter. 1 by 3 into height of cone 4. Right? Plus height of cylinder 6. Plus 2 by 3 into radius 3. Any doubts? Yeah. Now 7 and 3 is cancelable? No. Keep it as it is. 22 by 7 into 3 into 3. Don't do anything for that. Now 4 ones are 4 by 3 plus 6 plus 3 get cancelled 2. Clear? Put a working column here. Separately shall we find 4 by 3? 4 by 3 value. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Remainder 1.0. 3 threes are 9. So it is 1.3. It's a recurring decimal. So stop 1.3. 6 plus 2? 8. 8 plus 1.3? 9.3. Am I right? So we can write here 22 by 7 into 3 into 3 into 9.3. No, we have to check. If it is not getting cancelable, then we have to take 3.15. If it is getting cancelable, we have to cancel them. So we have to take this step till the last. When we get to know it is not cancelable 22 by 7 with any other term, now we should take that value. It's not cancelable. Now we can take 3.14 into 3 into 3, 9 into 9.3. Check. 3.4 into 9 into 9.3. If you are going to consider that value, 3.14 into 9 into 9.3. Yes, very good. 262.818. 264, sorry, 262.818. They have given in centimeter. So centimeter cube. No, no, it was meter or centimeter. That was centimeter. So it is centimeter cube. Any doubts? So we got the volume of the entire solid. Very good. And now we have to find the surface area. Correct now? Total surface area of solid is equals to third surface area of cone plus third surface area of cylinder plus third surface area of hemisphere. Now formula, third surface area of cone pi RL plus third surface area of cylinder 2 pi RH, third surface area of hemisphere 2 pi R square. Common pi R, pi R common, pi R, pi R, pi one time of R. Am I right? Pi R. This is L plus 2H plus 2 one time of R. This is H of whom? Cy. Pi radius 3. We don't know L. We don't know L. So here, can you draw one right angle triangle? What is the radius? 3. Height of cone? 4. L we don't know. Correct no? Remember? Now L is equals to root of R square plus H square. What is R square? 3 square. H square? 4 square. What is 3 square? 9 plus 16 is equals to root 25. Root 25 is 5 centimeters. So the value of slant height is 5 plus 2 into height of cylinder 6. Right? Plus 2 into radius is 3. Now 22 by 7 into 3. 5 plus 2 6 are 12 plus 2 3 are 6. 22 by 7 into 3 into 12 plus 6 18. 18 plus 5 23. Am I right? Correct no? 12 plus 5 17. 17 plus 6 23. Now 7 and 3 is cancelable. 7 and 23? No. So we can directly take 3.14 into 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. So 3.14 into 69. 3.14 into 69. 216.66 centimeter square. So this is the surface area of the given solid. So we have calculated the entire volume and the entire area of the given solid. I hope you understood, you got the clarity how to find the volume and how to find the area. Am I right? So as of now, we have done 3 problems related to how to find the area and how to find the volume. Now let me go ahead with question number 4. Yeah, students. Now we'll come back to the next problem. That is question number 4. Here is on the screen. Okay, dear students, before we could continue this problem, I would like to tell you that if you like this video, do not forget to click the like button. And like this, if you want still more videos from our end, time to time, do not forget to subscribe. Okay, and the end of the video, you can comment below here how much this video was helpful for you. Your comments will definitely boost us to make the other videos. Is this clear? And also in the like, share, comment, next to that there is the option called as hype. Click that hype option. Okay, that will also boost us to promote our video for maximum audience. Clear? Let's continue with problem number 4. Look at here. A hollow solid is made by placing a cylinder on an inverted cone as shown in the figure. The radius of the cylinder and the cone are 7 centimeter and their heights, radius of the cylinder and cone. Okay, both radius is same. The radius of the cylinder and the cone are 7 centimeter and their heights are 12 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. The solid is filled with water up to the height of two-thirds of the height of the cylinder. Two-thirds of the height of the cylinder. Find the amount of water in the solid. How much water is there in the solid we have to find. Along with that, we have to calculate the amount of required to fill the solid completely. Still, how much water we can fill in the solid we need to calculate. Okay? Yeah. Now, let me study step by step. First, they have given that we have one hollow solid. This solid is made by cylinder and one cone. Can you see the figure? We have one cylinder and we have one cone which is attached to the cylinder as shown in the figure. The radius of the cylinder and the cone both, that is radius of the cylinder is equals to radius of cone, that is nothing but 7 centimeter they have given. First case. Second, height, their heights 12 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Can you see the figure? Yes, sir. 12 centimeter is the total height of the cylinder. What is the total height of the cylinder? 12 centimeter. Am I right? This is the total height. Total height of cylinder is 12 centimeter. Similarly, total height of cone is 9 centimeter. Now the interesting part. What is the interesting part here? Till now, there was not given anything inside that. Directly we find the surface area or directly we find the volume. But here they have done one small twist. In this solid, they have filled with water. अबे solid पे क्या कर कोई पानी भर करे कहां तक पानी भर कोई that is a major condition here. This solid is filled with water. The condition here is when the solid is filled with water, understood, up to the height of two-third of the height of the cylinder. ये टोटल सिलेंडर का कितना हाइट है इसमें का टू-थर्ड उतना हिस्सा तक पानी भरा है. नॉट द टोटल सिलेंडर इज फिल्ड विथ वाटर. पूरा सिलेंडर भर के पानी नहीं है. पानी कहां तक भर के है? टू-थर्ड पोर्शन उतना भरा है. कंप्लीट सिलेंडर ಅಷ್ಟು ತುಂಬಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟು ತುಂಬಿದೆ? टू-थर्ड. ये सिलेंडर का जितना हाइट है उसका 2/3 टाइम्स उतना भरा है बस. The height of the water is filled is two-third of what? Please understand. Two-third of the height of the cylinder. Cylinder का जितना height है उसमें का two-third उतना हिस्सा. Can you see the figure only? Only till here it is filled. So we can say here, understood, water is filled up to the height. Water is filled up to the height how much? Two-third, 2/3 times of height of cylinder. Can we write like this? Water is filled up to the height. How much? 2/3 times of two-third means 2/3 into height of cylinder. That's nothing but we can say 2/3 into what is the height, total height? 12. Total height is 12. 2/3 times of 12. That is 3 ones are 3 fours are 4 twos are 8. So water is filled up to the height of 8 centimeter. water is filled up to the height of 8 centimeters. Any doubts? समझ में आया बेटा? पानी कितना भरा है बोल के? पानी कितना सिलेंडर के कितने हाइट तक भरा है? दैट इज सिलेंडर का 8 सेंटीमीटर उतना भरा है. Now, my dear students, interesting part is very simple here. What is that? Observe here. Now here they are asking find the amount of water in the solid. अब ये solid में कितना पानी भरा है? How much water is present in this solid? कहाँ तक है? यहां से लेकर यहां तक है पानी. Am I right? Yes, sir. Am I right? Yes, sir. इसका मतलब पूरा कोन उतना भरा है. पूरा कोन पानी में है नहीं है? पूरा कोन उतना पानी भरा है नहीं है? Yes, sir. Yes. और पूरा सिलेंडर उतना पानी भरा है? नहीं. कहां तक भरा है? ओनली 8 सेंटीमीटर हाइट ऑफ सिलेंडर तक भरा है. कहां से स्टार्ट हुआ है? फ्रॉम द एज ऑफ कोन टिल द 8 सेंटीमीटर हाइट ऑफ सिलेंडर. इतना पानी भरा है. Am I right? Understood? How much water is filled? Find the amount of water in the solid. How will you calculate? So here we can say that. Understood till here? Yes. Sure? Now we can say that amount of water in the solid is equals to amount of water in the solid. How much? Now see children. Now here we have to find the curved surface area or volume. Volume. Why? Because it is water. Yes, sir. Because anything which occupies the space. Understood? That matter which occupies the space, that's nothing but a volume. समझ में आया बेटा? जब भी कोई लिक्विड दिया है क्वेश्चन में तो उसका मतलब वो वॉल्यूम है. So here indirectly I am telling we have to calculate the volume of the entire solid. We have to calculate the volume of the entire solid. It means that we have to calculate the volume of cone plus volume of cylinder. लेकिन जब सिलेंडर का वॉल्यूम लेंगे जहां पे आपको हेच आएगा तो आपको एक चीज नोटिस करना है. जहां तक पानी भरा है वो हेच को लेना है. You understood my point? How much water is filled? That h value we have to take here, not the total height. Because we are calculating the amount of water. जितना पानी भरा है उतना हाइट का वैल्यू लेना है हमारे को बस. That is most important part you have to remember. Now, what is the volume of cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h plus volume of cylinder pi r square h. Any doubts? Now, the interesting part is pi r square is common. Left out is 1 by 3 into h. Which h? Cone. Plus pi r square came out h. Which h? Cylinder. Any doubts? Understood? Now, pi value is 22 by 7. What is the radius? 7 centimeter. They have given, no? Yes, sir. Both are same. That is 7 into 7 into 1 by 3 into. What is the height of cone? Height of cone. 9. Yes, sir. Height of cone is 9 centimeter. Plus height of cylinder. Which height we have to take now? 8. Which height we should take? Water. Till the height of the water, which is filled. Am I right? Yes. Now, as you can see, 7 get cancelled. Now the left out is 22 into 7. 3 ones are 3 3s are 3 plus 8. Now can we simplify this? 22 into 7 into 8 plus 3, 11. 22 into 7 11s are 77. 22 into 77. 22 into 77. 1694. How much? 1694. 22 into 77. 1694. 1694 centimeter cube. So this much is the amount of water filled in this solid. Understood? Concept is clear? Amount of water in the solid. So we have calculated how much amount of water is present in the solid. Now, along with that, one more thing, as you can see, what is given in the question? Find the amount of water in the solid. And also they are asking, calculate the amount of water required to fill the solid completely. अभी कितना पानी आप उसमें डाल सकते हैं? How much amount of water still you can add? अब वो कैलकुलेट करने के लिए आपको क्या करना है? ये टोटल सॉलिड का वॉल्यूम में से, ये टोटल वॉल्यूम में से इतना वॉल्यूम को माइनस कर दीजिए. रिमूव दिस वॉल्यूम. इन द टोटल फर्स्ट यू फाइंड द टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सॉलिड. उसमें से जितना पानी भरा है अभी जो हमारे को आंसर आया उसको माइनस कर देंगे. सो यू विल गेट द रिमेनिंग portion. How much volume is left out? Understood? Calculate the amount of water required to fill in the solid. How we have to calculate? Now we have to calculate what? Total volume of the solid. Correct now? Yes, sir. Now first let me calculate. Therefore, total volume of the solid is equals to volume of cone, volume of cylinder plus volume of cone. We are taking now total. Yes, sir. Got it? So what is the total volume? Means what is the formula to find volume of cylinder? Pi r square h plus volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. So pi r square is common. H of whom? Cylinder plus 1 by 3 into h of whom? Cone. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 7 into 7. Now we are calculating the total height. What is the total height? 12 centimeter. Understood? The total cylinder height is 12 centimeter plus 1 by 3 into the height of the cone is 9 centimeter. Now 7 get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 threes are 9 get cancelled. The left out is 22 into 7 into 12 plus 3 15. 12 plus 3 is 15. 7 twos are 14. 7 twos are 14 plus 1 15. 154 into 15. 1860 centimeter cube. So this is the total volume of the solid. Clear? Total volume of the solid. Now actually here what we have to calculate? Understood? Here we have to calculate amount of water to be filled. Amount of water to be filled in the solid is equals to, what is the total volume? 1860. In this total volume we have to subtract with how much water we have filled. How much water we have filled? 1694. The answer is 166 centimeter cube. Children, actually here, excuse me, here 154 into 15, the value is 2310, not 1860. Check. So 2310 minus 1694. So the answer is 616 centimeter cube. Yeah. I hope students you have understood this. How to find. Clear? Yes. And let me go ahead with the next problem, number 5. Yes, students. Look at here. Question number 5. A water container is made by joining a cylinder and hemisphere of equal radii. The curved surface area of hemisphere is 2772 centimeter square. The height of the cylinder is 140 centimeter and a water level indicator I is fixed at a height of 20 centimeter below the top of the cylinder as shown in the figure. Water can be stored in the cylinder up to the level of the indicator. Find the maximum amount of water that can be stored in the container and also find the amount of air stored in the remaining portion of the container. See, always whatever the question is given to you, what you are supposed to do, you have to read the complete question carefully. And then step by step you have to proceed. One line you have to read, you need to understand what is given. Second line you have to read, you have to understand what is given. So it will be very much helpful for you to understand the given problem. Yeah, let me proceed solving this problem. Solution. See, children, excuse me. Here the question is, a water container is made by joining a cylinder and a hemisphere of equal radii. So both the radiuses are equal. It means that radius of hemisphere is equals to radius of cylinder. How much it is, we don't know. They have not given the radius. But they are telling that both the radius are equal, and even It's not compulsory they should give. Even if you see the figure also, you can understand. Both the radiuses are equal. Next, look at here. Very important. Third surface area of hemisphere they have given. Children, you can see here. They have given the CSA of hemisphere. The chord surface area of hemisphere value is 2772 centimeter square. Now, what is the formula to find the chord surface area of hemisphere? The chord surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Simply they are not given. By using that, we have to find something unknown. So 2 pi r square is equals to 2772. Now, actually, we need r. Then we can write r square is equals to 2772 divided by 2 pi. Clear? Now, can we cancel them? 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 threes are 2 eights are 2 6 are. Am I right? Understood? 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, remainder 1, 17, 2 eights are 16, remainder 1, 2 6 are 12. Is it correct? Yes. Correct, sir. Yeah. Now we can write r square is equals to 1386 divided by pi. Am I right? R square is 1386 divided by pi. Now, shall we substitute the value of pi? Shall we substitute the value of pi? Yes, sir. 22. Then 1386 divided by 22 divided by 7. If it goes to the numerator, it becomes into 7. Am I right? Yes, sir. Understood? See here, 1386 divided by 22 by 7. If this 22 by 7 goes up, it becomes 7 by 22. Now multiply 1386 into 7. 1386 into 7. 9702 divided by 22. Check the value. 441. That is r square. Now r is equals to root of 441. What is the square root of 441? Is the value is correct? Yes, sir. Is the value is correct? Yes, sir. Sure? Sir. Check it out. Because even a single step goes wrong, the entire problem will be wrong. 1386 into 7. 9702 divided by 22. 441. 441. Now, what is the square root of 441? 21. 21 into 21 is 441. So radius is 21 centimeter. Radius is 21 centimeter. Now come back to the problem. You understood? Now, by using this one sentence, we have solved the rest of the steps. Like this only you are supposed to solve the problem in the exam. Read one sentence, what value they have given, utilize it and check what has to be done with that. And the next topic here is, as you can see, the height of the cylinder is 140 centimeter. Can you see the total height of the cylinder? Yes. The total height of the cylinder they have given, but they have not given the height of the hemisphere. We have to calculate for that. Let me see what has to be done for that. And okay, we know that the height of the hemisphere is equals to the radius of the hemisphere. Yes. Am I right? So can we write here the height of the hemisphere as 21 centimeters. So the radius of hemisphere, sorry, the radius or the height of the hemisphere is 21 centimeter. Even that also we got. Okay. Now here the question is, the height of the cylinder is 140 centimeter. So total height is 140. Well and good. And a water level indicator I is fixed. देखो बेटा एक इंडिकेटर यहाँ फिक्स कर कोई I बोल को यहाँ पे एक इंडिकेटर है okay is fixed at a height of 20 centimeter below the cylinder, below the top of the cylinder. उसे कहाँ पे फिक्स कर कोई where we have fixed that ये जो टोटल 140 है उसमें का जो टॉप 120 है 20 के नीचे. So the indicator is fixed at this height. Understood? Not hemisphere, cylinder. And the water level I is fixed at a height of 20 centimeter below the top of the cylinder. Cylinder के top से. It means like this. So this is my cylinder. This is my top of the cylinder. Below 20 centimeter, here I have fixed the indicator. Below top 20 centimeter, below the top of the cylinder 20 centimeter below I have fixed the indicator. इसका मतलब पानी यहाँ तक ही fill कर सकते हैं. That is the point he is saying. Water can be stored in the cylinder up to the level of indicator. कहाँ तक fill कर सकते हैं? Indicator तक. इसका मतलब कितना height तक पानी भर सकते हैं? How much height we can fill the water? 140 minus 20, 120 centimeter. This shows that the height of the water present in the cylinder is 120 centimeter height. Instead of giving the water is 120 centimeter, indirectly he is telling that below 20 centimeter water is filled. See the previous problem and this problem, what is the difference? In that they said 2/3 of the height of the cylinder is filled with water. But here now they are telling below 20 centimeter from top we have filled the water. See, you can compare that problem and this problem. It is similar, but the way of expressing the problem is different. Nothing else much. Understood the concept?
Yes.
Now, water can be stored in the cylinder up to the height of the indicator. Now we got to know that. Now, find the maximum amount of water that can be stored in the container. अब पानी कितना भरा है container में? How much water is filled in the container? The water is filled from here to here, right?
Yes, sir.
Only this much only the water is filled, no? It means directly what we have to find? Volume of cylinder. That's all.
Yes, sir.
In that problem, volume of cylinder plus volume of cone was there.
Yes.
नीचे कोन भी अटैच है ना, तो कोन से भरा है पानी, नीचे से ऊपर तक पानी भरा है. Am I right?
Yes.
But here what we have to do? Find the maximum amount of water that can be stored in the container. How much water we can store in the container? How much water is filled? You can see that. Only volume of cylinder. Only volume of cylinder, till that only water is present. Am I right? But here height what we should take? 120. Height we have to consider 120. Am I right? Isn't it? So here we should write volume of water stored in the container. Volume of water stored in the container is equals to how much? How much? That is volume of cylinder. Indirectly is telling, I'll write here. Indirectly they are telling to find the volume of cylinder. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h.
Yes, sir.
Pi is 22 by 7. What is the radius?
21.
21 into 21. What is the height? 120. Till only 120 centimeter the water is filled. Am I right? So 7 ones are 7. 7 threes are 21. Now multiply all these values. 22 into 3 into 21 into 120. 22 into 3 is 66 into 21 into 120. So the answer is 166,320 centimeter cube. This is the amount of water stored in the container. How much water is stored in the container? This much amount of water is stored in the container. Am I right? Clear about this topic? Yeah, children, still if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe now itself. Quick, click the subscribe button and also click the bell icon so that you can find the updates and notification from our end time to time. Okay, now also look at here. One more interesting part. What is here? Also, what also? Find the amount of air stored in the remaining portion of the container. See, if water is stored here, the remaining portion is filled with what? Air. The remaining portion is filled with air. Means from where to where air is filled? From here to here. Correct, no? The air is filled from here to here. Can you see the green portion? So the air is filled up to the height what? From here to here, 20 centimeter. From here to here, 21 centimeter. It means height of the cylinder, volume of the cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. We have to add both the volumes. That much amount of air is filled in this solid, in this water container. Am I right?
Yes.
So how much amount of air is how much amount of air is remaining? How much amount of air is present?
45.
So we can say amount of air present,
Amount of water.
amount of air present in container, in the container is equals to volume of hemisphere, volume of hemisphere plus volume of cylinder. Now what is the volume of hemisphere? 2 by 3 pi r cube plus volume of cylinder pi r square h. Pi is common. Radius of hemisphere and radius of cylinder is common. So can we take r square common? The left out is 2 by 3 into 1 time of r. Because in r cube, r square has come out.
Yes.
Plus pi r square came out. H of whom? Cylinder. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now pi is 22 by 7. What is radius? 21 into 21 into 2 by 3 into 21 plus height of cylinder. Height of cylinder is 20, not 120. Height of cylinder only this much only we should take, no? Understood? This much amount of air is filled. So height of the cylinder is 20. Followed? So height of cylinder is 20. Now 7 ones are 7 threes are 22 into 3 into 21. 3 ones are 3 sevens are, that's nothing but 7 twos are 14 plus 20. 22 into 3 66 into 21 into 20 plus 14 34. Am I right? Multiply 66 into 21 into 34. 66 into 21 into 34. 47,124 centimeter cube. So this much amount of air we can fill. Still we can fill. Am I right? Is it correct?
Yes.
Or we have to find the total volume minus this.
Good question.
Can we calculate this much is enough? Or we should calculate the total volume and how much amount of water is filled we have to subtract with that. देखो बेटा इसका मतलब ये टोटल सिलेंडर और हेमिस्फीयर का टोटल वॉल्यूम उसमें से जितना पानी भर के उसको माइनस करना है. टोटल वॉल्यूम में से इसको माइनस किए तो रिमेनिंग इज दिस. Now, yeah, I hope you have copied this, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, look at here. What is the total volume? What is the total volume? Total volume is equals to volume of hemisphere plus volume of cylinder. Am I right? Volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube plus volume of cylinder pi r square h. 2 by 3, sorry, pi r square common, 2 by 3 into r plus h of cylinder. Am I right? Yeah. Now what is pi? 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into 21 into 21 into 2 by 3 into 21 plus what is the total height of the cylinder? 140. Total height of the cylinder is 140. Correct? Then 7 ones are 7 threes are 22 into 3 66 into 21. 3 ones are 3 sevens are 7 twos are 14 plus 140. How much? 154. Am I right? Now calculate 66 into 21 into 154. 213,444 centimeter cube. Correct, no? This is the total volume. Am I right? Now look at here. If you want to calculate how much amount of air is present, amount of air present, if you want to calculate, what we should do? From the total volume, that is 213,444, in that we have to minus how much amount of water is filled. How much amount of water is filled? 166,320. Am I right?
Yes.
166,
320.
320. Calculate the value.
47.24 answer.
47, 120 centimeter. Yeah, that's what we have done. Water field we have already know.
Then verify.
No, I am telling either you can do like this or you can do like that. Both are one in the same. From the total, you remove this. That is also fine. You remove the just how much is filled. You eliminate.
Yeah.
How much is balance. Just you calculate that part. That is also fine. We can do both the sides. My dear students, I hope you have understood this class. You have enjoyed this session. So this is type 1 problem as what we have covered. And in tomorrow's class, I am going to cover type 2 problems related to surface area and volume. So altogether, we have got two types of problems which we need to understand, which we have to focus. If you are covering these two type of problems, that's more than sufficient. And also, how many number of problems you solve, that much accuracy you will gain. That is the most advantage to get this 5 out of 5 marks from surface area, from the 5 mark carrying question. And 1 mark is very easy. Formula, basic things only they will ask you. You no need to bother about that. Easily you can do it. But here you can, I hope you have understood the procedure and the steps how we have to solve. Okay. So if you like this session, do not forget to comment below how was this class and ultimately share this video with your all friends so let they also get benefited out of Shah Sir classes. Take care. All the best. See you soon with the next session type 2 problems of surface areas and volume.